Hey guys, good morning. It is 8:35. It's very gloomy out today, but today's Saturday. I'm just gonna have you guys spend the day with me, just have a little chill day. I got up, got dressed, took a shower. I'm about to go make me some coffee, but me and my mom have to run a few errands. We're going to Burlington because I need to get me some hangers to finish hanging up my clothes. I want to hang up all of my wall decor today too, because like I said, I wasn't doing a room transformation video because it looks the same. And as you guys can tell, that's not my bedding. I actually have to go get my comforter from my sister's house too. So we're just gonna have a little day together. It's been a minute since I actually sat down and vlogged in a room. Like, it feels so good. It feels good to be back in my own space. Yeah, so I'm just bringing y'all with me. So let's go make some coffee because I need some. Alright, y'all, we at Walmart.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in.
So y'all,
and see if I can find some hangers because I need some hangers and possibly get some curtains. I need some curtains. I might get black because they have white, but these are messed up. I'm just gonna get black, get two of the black ones. I think they'll be good. They only $2.98, so that's really good. Alright guys, I'm back home. So I went to Walmart and I got 50 hangers because I'm going to need them. And then me and my mom went to Goodwill to look for me a curtain. And I found a sage green curtain that matches my room. But I'm going to actually start putting my clothes on hangers because I needed to get them hung up so they can stop being right there. So let's do that. Good morning guys, it is 8:54. I'm just out here relaxing with my dog. We're sitting outside this morning getting some fresh air, but I don't really have much to do today. It's gonna be a chill day because I did so much this weekend, so I don't really have much to do. But yeah, I'm just sitting outside relaxing, enjoying the breeze, and yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say hi. And yeah, and I'm waiting till 11 because I have a video coming out at 11. So, just waiting. But it's really early, so. Alright guys, so here's an update of how my room is looking. I got my green comforter back. It was at my sister's house, like I knew it was. So I'm happy to have that back. And my mom put up my gold fixture and my mirror. And then I put up my little plant. The only other things I need to put up, which should probably be later today, is my wall shelves and my wall frames that are going to go over my bed. I'm not going to put up my little pegboard. I don't think I'm going to put it up in this house. I don't know, probably not. But yeah, and I do want to get me a little book stand because I have some books. So I'll probably like put it in this corner. Oh, and then also y'all, I got a curtain. I got a green curtain. My mom got it for me and it matches my room perfectly. But yeah, my room literally looks the same as the other house, just a little few new pieces. But yeah, so that is the update of my room. But I do need to, I mean, it's not dirty, thank God. It's not dirty at all. Good morning guys, it is 9:35. I don't even know what day it is. I just feel like I'm just vlogging. A few things I have to do today. I have a meeting on Zoom with one of my friends, and then later on I am going to my cousin's party because she leaves tomorrow for college, so during her going away party. But before I get on my meeting with my friend, I need to get my room situated, pick up the stuff off my floor, make sure my room looks nice and then do this Zoom call, because she said like 30 to 45 minutes, so it's only 9:35, so I got some time. Yeah, so let's put on some music and get my room situated. She's not bad, but I'm get her situated. Hey guys, I think it's been like a few days since I last vlogged, but it's like almost 6:30. I am going to a movie premiere, like not like a big movie premiere. It's like a thing at this church. They're having like a movie premiere for the kids, but me and my mom are gonna take my little brother and my niece, and yeah, so we're getting ready to go to that. So I just finished getting dressed and doing my hair, so I'm gonna take y'all with me for that. And okay, I'm low-key rushing because my mom's rushing me. I hate being rushed. I gotta get some socks and put on my shoes, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. But yeah, so we're gonna go to go to the premiere. All right, here's the fit. I have on a black bodysuit, this jean jacket, some black flare jeans, and my sambas, and my black purse. And like I said, it's just a cute little premiere thingy at this church. I don't think I've been there before, but yeah, I'm bringing you guys along. But this is the fit. I think it's cute.